If you were to come to me and tell me that you have $0, but you have a great idea and you want to start an online business, and you ask me, hey, what tool can I use to get started? I will just tell you to go ahead and use Gumroad. There are many tools out there. Why am I so bold enough to tell you about Gumroad? Now, the next section of this video, I'm just going to be explaining to you and take you through exactly the whole Gumroad platform, recording my screen and sharing with you exactly why I believe Gumroad is a great place for you to start. Perhaps you would like to sell ebooks or start to sell courses, start your podcast, start a newsletter. All these things that I just mentioned can be found in Gumroad. Let's jump right onto my computer while I explain to you exactly why I believe you need to start using Gumroad. I'm going to go into my Gumroad account and I'm just going to show you exactly what you see when you come into Gumroad. Right now, as I show you here, this is my Gumroad platform, and in my Gumroad platform, you can see in the home is showing exactly how many sales I've made and then the revenue that I have. I'm going to be very transparent with you by showing you everything I have. All these products are not actually listed, but later on it will be listed. Now, you can see the home where it shows you exactly what you have over here. Then you're going to see the aspect which is called product, and the product aspect is what you will see when all the products that you've created. So this is where you can either add some new products or see the existing product and you can edit and all those stuffs. We'll get back to that because this is where we are going to be using. We have collaborators. Collaborators is a great place because it is actually a place where you can have something we call affiliates. That is the same thing as people who are actually enjoined with you by creating courses in this product. We also have the checkout. Checkout is where you can easily adjust and add some stuffs like what we have, the checkout form, we have the upsells. An upsell is when you are able to sell something for a cheap price and then you can upsell a person. When we say upsell, it means you sold something for $5 and then you are suggesting something else to them that, hey, would you like to buy? I have another more expensive or other stuff that I would like to show you. Would you like to buy? That's what we call an upsell. And generally, these kind of things were done by great platforms like ClickFunnels and big platforms that you have to pay a lot of money for. So Gumroad actually integrating this stuff in their sales funnel is amazing. Now, the next part, we have the emails, where if you are to start an email list, we have the workflows, we have the sales, we have the analytics, and we also have the discover and then the library. Now, but before we get there, I would just like to show you first of all what we have over here, which is the product. Now, the product aspect, today we're going to see what are the things we can actually create with Gumroad. So let's go to the product. In the product section, once I click, we can see we have the digital product where you can sell any set of files or downloads or stream. The second part is a course or a tutorial where you can sell a single course or you can teach a whole cohort of students. When we say a cohort is a course model where you can actually have a course and also you can go live and teach other people. That is what we call a cohort. You can also sell an ebook. I made a video about how to create a successful ebook already here. You can click it to watch that video. And we can also have membership. A membership is where you start a membership site where you charge people an amount of money so they can have access to your premium content on a monthly basis or whatever basis that you want to make it. And you can actually also sell physical products using Gumroad, and you can sell bundles. Let us go ahead and start to create a product together so you can see what I'm actually talking about. Let's say we want to create a product called the Instagram Growth Hack. So you want to create a course. So we are just going to make sure we click the course or tutorial. You can either click digital product, but we are just going to click course because we're going to create a course. If we're to create an ebook, if this is a Instagram Growth Hack ebook, then we would have selected ebook, but here we select the course. Then you come to the price, you make sure you select the value of which you are trying to sell this product. It could be in US dollar or any other product, but we are going to keep it on US dollar and we're just going to give the price. So let's say the price is $15 and you just put in the price, and once you're done, you come up here and you're just going to click next and to customize. Once you're here, you're just going to add a description. So for example, you're just going to say this is a course. Okay, this is, okay, let's just say this is an Instagram. This is an Instagram course. So you know what I'm talking about. You can actually fill out this site and you can create a simple like URL, because normally the URLs comes like gumroad.com, and you can add a simple URL. For example, here we can also use the name like Instagram Growth Hack or the Creator MBA, and you can also add a custom domain if you want. And now we are just going to upload a cover. So you are just going to upload a cover and you can upload a simple thumbnail. Once you're done with this, and you are just going to exactly select how do you want it to show when people, what is the call to action? Is it I want this, or buy this, or pay? You're just going to choose one, for example, pay. The summary, you can just write a summary and it will show over here. And once you're done, you can add extra details to this. Then we move to the most important part, which is the content. Today, I would just like to show you exactly how we do this. So for example, in the first aspect, let's say this is the model 1. So in the model 1, you just created, and the first video that you were showing was what is branding. For example, you already have videos created, and I've already created the content teaching exactly how you can create a course from start to finish. And I'm also gonna link that one up over here. You can check it out. So what is branding? And for example, if you want to include a video, all you are going to do is to click here, insert a file, and you are just going to say embed a video. You can either embed a video, that is, you have a link and you're going to put it there, or you're just going to select computer file and you're just going to upload a file to your course page. So for example, due to the media, and you are just going to export it over here. If it is a video, it will show up over here as a video, and whatever way you want to do it. Now you might be asking, maybe I have different models, how am I going to show this over here? So you're just going to come to this side. I think this is the place we have create a page, and this side, the small part, you just say create a page, and you can see we are just going to have different pages. So I love to actually make my courses in form of models. So for the first one, I say model 1, and the next one I say model 2, for example. So you can just go ahead and create as many models as you want. So this is the first model, this is the second model. Then you just say for the second one, let's say in the model 2, you're going to be describing what is a brand color, or choosing a brand color, for example. So choosing, okay, your brand color. So this is exactly how we go about creating courses, and this stuff used to be done on places like Udemy and other sophisticated programs, but here in Gumroad you can actually create your own course. Once you are done, you're just going to say save changes, and if you are ready to publish, you're just going to say publish and continue. And once you are done with that, then you're just going to click the share, and you're going to be sharing with other people. So this is the first aspect, that is in the product section. Now when it comes to the product, let's go back again and show you exactly what are the things you can do. As I said, you can start by selling newsletters, membership, courses, and you can actually also start a newsletter with Gumroad. And with the collaborators, I'm just going to explain a little bit again about that. You can invite other people to be on this one that are going to help you either by the selling or promotion of your product, which is a great feature that you can have here. Now for the checkout, as I said, on the checkout you can have you can create discounts for people. So now you have no discounts. You can either come here and create a discount for people. You can come here to the checkout forms, easily create that, and also you can customize it so that you know the information you want to take from people, or maybe you would like to recommend other products to the people when they are checking out, whichever way you want to do that. And we also have the upsell. And as I said, an upsell is where you are offering different products in addition to the main product that you drew people to your website for. Let's go to the emails. This is when, if you have created a newsletter and you've given stuff for free for people and people opted in with their email address, you're going to find their email addresses over here where you can easily send them emails as well. Now for the workflows, I'm not so sure about that, but you can create a simple workflow like the newsletter. When somebody clicks this, what is going to go, what is going to happen, what are the triggers, and all these can be done on Gumroad. Let's go to the next one, which is actually sales. So here you're going to see the number of sales you've made and the amount of money you have in your account. And then the next one, we have analytics. In the analytics, you're going to be seeing exactly what you're doing, the number of sales you have, and how things are actually operating for you. And when it comes to the payouts, this is where you will see how much Gumroad is actually going to pay you, the total amount of earnings you have made, and the next payout days, because over here you can see the number of days, the payout days that I have, and how much Gumroad actually paid me, the fees that Gumroad actually picked from me. And it is super easy for you to actually use Gumroad. And let us come back once again to the main page while I show you exactly how the interface looks like. And once you are here, by creating the product, we can have discover, and in the discover you can actually find different products affiliated. Now in Gumroad as well, there are many products over there. You can just go there and pick a product that you find interesting. You're just going to send an email, and if you're accepted into the affiliate program, you can also be selling their products for up to, I think, over 10% discount. I'm not sure about that. I'll have to check that out. And we also have collapsed, and we have achieved. So these are the aspects of actually starting an online business with Gumroad. Listen to me, my friends. If you are to start this with your own website, you will need to create your own website, and you will also need other platforms to actually get started doing this. But with Gumroad, you can do all these stuffs in one place. So to be able to reduce the friction of you not starting and trying to help you just get started, I would suggest you go ahead to use Gumroad. It's such a great tool, and I've made other tutorials about this, and if you want to hear more about what you can do with Gumroad, then I'll be more than honored to do more videos on this topic. I hope you really found this video helpful. You can like it, and it's going to help me in the YouTube algorithm. And thank you so much. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next videos with great information. Let's go. Peace.